Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Once done, sign into your Samsung account if the phone asks, because some controls sync across devices. Make sure to grant usage access so the phone can measure screen time. Without that, you won't get accurate data. Also accept device admin or parental control permissions when shown so timers can actually block apps. Now that permissions are granted, you're ready to add your first app timers and schedules. Next, go into the dashboard to see detailed app usage. This is where you assign limits. Tap an app or category, choose a daily limit like 1H/day, and confirm. The OS will stop notifications and block usage when the timer expires. For recurring restrictions, enable focus mode or bedtime mode and set start/end times so limits apply automatically. Make sure to apply to both foreground and background use where offered, because some apps keep running without obvious screen time. Finally, lock your settings by requiring a PIN or Samsung account credentials to change timers, so limits stay in place. Check the weekly report to see trends and tweak timers or focus schedules accordingly. If a timer doesn't block an app, first verify usage access and device admin permissions still show as enabled. Also disable aggressive battery optimization for affected apps, because some optimizers prevent the timer service from running. If problems persist, restart the phone and reapply the permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.